I analyzed over 5,000 real tweets from different creators to figure out what actually works on Twitter, what gets reach, what gets ignored, and why. Then I built a full system that runs on that data every time I need to write a post, and in this video I'm going to show you the full process. From 5,000 tweets that I analyzed, here is what data says, what performs and what tags your reach. So first, what performs. To improve your post, you should use specific numbers in the hook, lowercase throughout the entire post, first person framing, direct address talking to one person, contrary angle, and ellipses for pacing. They show up consistently in the posts that got reach. And what tags your reach, what kills the post, is questions as openers, wall of tags, generic advice that could apply to anyone, hard call to actions, multiple exclamation points, hedging, so maybe, possibly, and other words, and emojis. They show up consistently in the post with less reach. So as you saw, these are all the things that are messing up your content, and the fix is not the better prompt, but it's loading the AI with an actual intelligence before you ask it for anything, and that starts with your data, and I'm going to show you exactly how I pull my data. So guys, let me show you quickly how to export the data so you can replicate this. You'll go on Twitter, find one of your competitors, for instance mine is Machina, and you will add to your Google extensions, tweet export, and here is his username already in. Post, if you sign up, you will get higher limit to download the tweets, and you will just press start. As you see, I have already done this, and you will get the file like this with his past 300 tweets, and what you will do, you will just drag this document inside your Claude and start to analyzing it. So once you have done it, you should get something like this. 1 SOP for ideas, 2nd for structure and formatting, 3rd for call to action, 4th for emotions, and 5th for voice. And you should be getting something like this with all the information. If you want to replicate these SOPs, I have few listed in my free Telegram group, which link is down below so you can check it out. Okay guys, so I prepared 3 different challenges, 3 different situations which you will be most likely in, and let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so for the first challenge, what we are going to do is just input my raw idea. Here I wrote quickly something, and it's not written well, it's not grammarly correct, and what we are going to do is just paste it in my co-work where I loaded all of my SOPs, pasted this inside, and just check out the output and see what we get. And as you can see, this is day and night difference. It's written very well using all of my SOPs, as you can see here, so it's clean. I can maybe go through, change some little things that I maybe don't like, or I can just keep it as it is and just copy it and post it on my Twitter. Now this was for the first challenge. Now for the second challenge, we are going to input just the raw idea inside, nothing specific, just the topic of tweet that AI should write. So let's see what we get. Claude just wrote the new tweet, and this looks pretty decent as well. It did all the SOP checks, so the content matched the outputs that I need, and this, as I go quickly through it, looks very solid. And now this can be used as one of my tweets, so super simple. As you can see, system works very well. Okay guys, so for our last challenge, what we are going to do is just ask Claude to find one of the best performing tweets from our data that we just scraped, and we will just change it a bit and put our own idea on it and see what we get. Okay, so first I wrote, can you find one very good performing tweet that is not too short and it's from our data. And now let's see what Claude finds us, and then we will change it a bit and give it our own idea. So let's see how it goes. So as you can see here, I just got few ideas that perform very well, and what can I do now from this is just change it a bit and make it my own. So let's do this. So I just fixed this tweet a little bit, and now let's run it and see what we get. And as you can see, this tweet is exactly the same, or at least has exact same structure, exact same idea, but the whole angle is different and it's not the same. It's basically mine now, but with just my take. So this makes tweet writing much easier and much more efficient. We also adapt the voice, and here the system know exactly who I am, not just what performs, but actually making content mine and not just replicating it from someone else basically. The AI just knows what format makes the idea perform, and that's the whole thing. You're basically outsourcing your thinking, you are running your thinking through a system that already knows what gets reach and what gets ignored for your specific audience. The difference between this and blank ChatGPT prompt is that ChatGPT is just guessing and this system is not built on guessing, and you can hear it in the output. It's completely different, like some top perform creator on Twitter wrote it. And if you want the SOPs themselves to get started faster, they're in my free Telegram, which link is down below. They are free to use and you can paste them straight into the Claude to replicate what I did. And thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.